One thing that you need to pay attention to this morning as you get ready to head out the door is we are gearing up for a big rain event for Kern County tomorrow. Today we're going to see the clouds roll through, and it's going to be more of a mild system. Subtropical jet stream going to bring in some clouds, but it's that jet stream that's going to feed most of our moisture coming in from this area of low pressure. It's very cold. It's going to continue to push down to the south. As that happens, it's going to drag moisture right into Kern County. Take a look at the futurecast when you look at the precipitable water, and you can see that the moisture track is going to come up right from the south. It's that area in purple there, bringing it right into Kern County throughout most of the state through Wednesday. Now, the problem with this is you get a rain shadow effect, that a lot of rainfall tends to hit most of the mountain areas and then skips over the valley floor. There's a good chance for that to take place. But let's look at the futurecast and see where it heads for tomorrow. The majority of the rainfall through today stays to our west. Then we move in tomorrow morning. And once again, here's a great example of that rain shadow. We're very dry across the valley. The mountain areas getting hit with the rainfall. All around the mountain regions do we see the chance of rain. Let's move a little bit forward into the futurecast, and you'll see then Tuesday afternoon into the evening hours, rainfall makes its way across the county. And then there's a potential for it to be on and off unless that rain shadow once again plays a bigger role across our mountain areas. The majority of the shower activity should stay up towards Northern California. So when you look at the accumulated precipitation over the next 48-hour window, you'll notice the majority of the shower activity once again stays up towards Northern California along the Sierras, which is good. We need that rainfall for this drought-infested season. But this is just one model saying Bakersfield will only see 0.13 of an inch of rainfall. I am forecasting, in the Eyewitness News weather team, 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch of rainfall. The mountain areas goes through 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches of rain. So looking really good for shower activity tomorrow going through Wednesday. And then the mountain snowfall, that would be very high, 8,000 feet, 1 to 2 feet of snowfall would be there. But that's all going to be reserved for areas of the Sierras. So today, quiet 70s. Tomorrow, rainfall on its way, and that will continue through Wednesday. We get a break on Thursday, maybe another chance again Friday and Saturday. But for the majority of the day tomorrow, get ready for rainfall somewhere after the 12 o'clock hour. And then we'll see that continue through Wednesday. Mountain areas, remember, snow level's high, but it will get cooler. It will be windy. Chances of rain increase Tuesday through Wednesday. And then we're going to see a break on Thursday. That's your forecast in a nutshell. It's going to get wet and windy over the next couple of days, so plan on the change up ahead. Get your umbrellas ready and change those windshield wipers. You'll need them. Rob?